Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card. Here is GeForce RTX 1660 Ti 6G, and then click on the product. Now you can see this is your click on model number. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7. So all the operating system installations process same. So this is Nvidia driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see like this, and it will take time, 5 to 10 minutes, and depend about your internet connections, internet speed. And after that, click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.